This video was edited without touching a timeline, no dragging clips, no razor tool. I literally typed the words "zoom" into my face here, and it happened. Today I'm showing you how to edit videos like a text document using Descript. By the end of this video, you'll cut your editing time in half if you've never edited a video before. No long intro. Let's jump in. Most people think video editing is hard because the software is complicated. That's not the real problem. The real problem is finding mistakes, cutting them out, and organizing everything. Traditional editors force you to stare at timelines for hours. You zoom in, you zoom out, you drag clips around, you search through waveforms, and eventually you get frustrated. Descript changes everything. Instead of editing video, you edit text. When you upload your footage, Descript automatically transcribes every word you say. Now here's the magic. Delete a sentence from the transcript and the video cuts automatically. Move text around and the video rearranges itself. It's like editing a Google Doc that happens to be a video. Let's see how it works. Start by creating a new project and dragging your footage into Descript. If you recorded multiple clips, just drop them all in. Descript stitches everything together and creates a transcript automatically. In about 30 seconds, every word you said becomes cognitable text. Before you start editing, let AI do the boring work. First, remove filler words. Gets detected automatically. One click and they're gone. Second, shorten word gaps. Long pauses kill audience retention. Set the threshold to 0.3 seconds and Descript tightens everything instantly. Third, enable studio sound. Even if your microphone wasn't perfect, studio sound makes surely those 3 features alone can cut 30% of your editing time. Now for the fun part, manual editing. Except it doesn't feel manual. Instead of hunting through a timeline, you simply read the transcript. See a section you don't want? Highlight it. Press delete. Done. The video updates automatically. Want to move your conclusion to the beginning? Copy. Paste. Finished. The video follows the text. This is the moment most people realize how powerful the script really is. Now let's make the video look professional. Highlight a phrase. Open underload. Type add text. Customize the font, size, and position. But here's the trick. Apply the green screen effect to place text behind you. That cinematic effect that normally requires advanced editing skills can be done in just a few clicks. Add a whoosh sound effect and your text instantly feels more dynamic. If you're creating tutorials, screen recordings are essential. This script includes a built-in screen recorder. Record your screen, stop recording, and the footage appears directly inside your project. Need B-roll. Highlight a section of the transcript. Add a layer, drop in your footage. Mutate the B-roll audio, and you're done. No complicated workflow. No endless timeline adjustments. When everything looks good, export your video. Choose 4K or 180p. Add captions if you want. Then use Descript's publishing tools to generate YouTube descriptions, tags, and chapters automatically. You can even upload directly to YouTube. Here's the complete workflow. Import footage, transcribe automatically, remove filler words, shorten gaps, apply studio sound, edit by deleting text, add overlays and effects, insert B-roll, export, upload. That's it. No Premiere Pro, no complicated timelines. Just words on a page that become a finished video. If you want more AI tools that save time and actually work, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.